Okay, so it's fixed units here. We have this vizio TV E320-A0. It's a LED 32-inch TV model, and the TV already plugged into the power. We have no standby light, so it means there is something wrong with the 5-volt standby voltage, or there is a bad main port. So we got this TV from a customer. They want to recycle it, and we'll see if we can fix it and make it work. So I'm going to take the TV part and just show you inside. Let's test it. And this is my son Amir. He's going to help me to. He's very shy. Okay, go test it. Start testing that points. That's the first one. What do we have over there?
I don't know.
0 volt.
0 volt.
Next one. What do we have over there?
0 volt.
Okay, next one. What do we have over there?
23 volt.
Is mean good. Okay, and next one.
23 volt.
That's good. If we look over there, that's a VCC. Yeah, the VCC is good. 1 and 2, the pin number and 1 and 2 is a VCC, is a 24 volt. That's good. So let's test that fuse. So with this, you remember, we have, so to that side of the fuse, we got we got 23 volt, and the other side of the fuse that side we have 0. So it's mean the fuse is bad. So let's change the fuse and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Yeah, so we're gonna take the motherboard and replace the fuse and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Use the other screwdriver. You got it?
This is the good.
Yep, that's more easy. Okay, take the board and let's go to the over there. Let's go to put a new fuse. So we're gonna get the fuse from another junk board. So let's change it, Amir. Okay, warm it up. So I'm gonna take this plastic because it's gonna be melted. Put it over there. So take this one.
I warm it.
Yes.
It's getting hot.
It's okay. It's not gonna burn you. Hold it. Will I move it? It's gone. Yep. Okay, leave it over there. Good. Yep, it's solid. It's good.
It's tight.
Yep, it's tight. Great. Good job, my man. Give me 5. All right, let's go test it. So let's put the screws back and we test it to see if it's
Work or not?
yes, my man.
Yeah,
Okay.
I feel it here, but
Yeah. Let's go next.
do you find the right screw? The same one, not
A different one. All right.
the different ones will not work.
Of course. It's not gonna fit.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my helper. Good job. Let's put the... Now, thank you, done. Let's put the cable back. Cables here.
You flip it over. You flip it over.
Like this. Good. Put the screen. Wait. Don't. Hold on. Yalla, push it down. Good job. Right. Let's plug it and test it.
Yeah, this is if,
Plug it.
if it works. My chair, no.
All right. Yeah. After we replace the fuse, we have 23 volt here, and we have 0 here. So the fuse is burned. We have no standby light. So let's take it again and see what's make the fuse to burn. All right, we set up the power supply, external power supply at the 23 volt. Let's do it like this. 24 is good.
Yeah.
So here, we're gonna put the ground here.
Dad, I have my video. What is going on? Huh.
Something.
What is the problem of this?
Here's something.
What is going on of this? Why this thing is keep me? Okay, I will see. So tell me what is the problem there?
Okay, let's look. Let's see which one is getting hot. Yeah, there is some short here, but we need to know which one is getting hot.
Thank you for practicing. Let me how to fix stuff.
Yeah, my man.
Daddy,
Yes.
tell me if you need any help tomorrow.
Okay, well. So I'm gonna put some voltage, 24 volt, to the other side of the fuse, and I'm gonna watch which spot is getting hot. Sure, there is. Yep, I see something is over there. All right, watch this spot here. So let me so now it's going to be clear what spot is going to get very hot. So watch here.
Beep, beep.
You see that? So let's do it again. Yep. So let's go the alignment. And switch the different color.
Number 1.
So here we're going to see what spots is very hot. Just watch the spot is getting red. Yeah, that's the spot, is the bright spot. That's the one is getting very hot. And let's do the alcohol way to see exactly which. Yeah, look like this capacitor. It looks bad. See this capacitor here? That's the capacitor causing the issue. But let me show you how to find the short using alcohol. So we put alcohol. Then we're going to fit. Yep, it's done quick. Let's do it again. Yep, it's dry very quick. I can see it, but I don't know if it's and the phone it show clear. Yep. Yep, you see it? So this capacitor is bad. So let's put the multimeter and the on. And we're gonna test for the short. Yeah, that's a clear shirt. Yeah, that's a clear shirt in this capacitor. So let's take that capacitor. We don't need to replace it, just need to remove it. And to be sure, we're gonna need to test that capacitor if it's shorted. Yep, it's shorted, but there is no more short here. So here to the ground is good. I'm gonna take another Alright, we replaced the fuse and let's test it. We put all connectors and let's plug it to the power. We're gonna test it. Voila! We have the standby light is on. And let's push the power button. I can tell the backlight is on from here. That's good. No, yes, there is a display. I can see let me click menu. Here is the menu, and it's over there. So this TV is fixed. Alright, that's how you test the motherboard, the TV motherboard for search. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you next video.
The sad part about this, he's 65. He was a flight attendant, and you know was probably